What call you here to talk?
Southeast London. Southeast London.
I start this in London end there.
Southeast London, in it.
In it. I like them quick. In it.
In it, Southeast London.
Oh, how are you?
Good.
Come. Dalu, oh. Hi. How are you? You are here? Good. Come on, yes. Oh, yeah, I'm a good evening. Don't have flu. I must ask you too much name.
Grandpa, welcome to London. Welcome to London.
Hello. Come, let me talk to you. Oh, mom, come. Oh, mama. What's a good man? Your laugh is beautiful. Yeah.
Grandpa, you seem so excited.
My brother, no time to get out there started. Onye play the figure here. How many hours? I know 28 hours. Machine criminal. 28 hours. Him no nail nanam.
You spent 28 hours in
the apple.
Okay.
Let the figure she British. She bring ham.
So how are you enjoying your stay in London?
I look at enjoyment to sugar calanca. The light when my body every day sugar crack. Came to walk for sugar. Oh, chap, popular man, lamb so to want to be at them. Nanyam now, boy, I walk a sugar. Or the man, my processing has sugar much here. Fruit I know no longer any little meal. Kebe wood, Abonu from Abunne, what are we naked?
So it's too much sugar.
Hello. Yes, good man. Put on a second move your motion.
So where are you going now, Grandpa?
Hello, one
Oh, you're enjoying London. Your son went to work. Okay.
Who's our question? I don't take a bag. I'll take them the taka. On your chipper, no give them. Where Christ ship Adam? No give them. See, Adam, where are you asking them on your water? Come. Him will buy one your water. Thank God, need him up for sugar. When I regularly at Tony, Lumra Joe laughing. Happy kid. Oh, Mama, come. Oh, how are you? Yeah, come let me talk.
Grandpa is visiting London from Nigeria.
Oh, Mama. Oh, Mama. Your name what? Grace. Abosi. Grace. Pagore Greece. Oh, you want your bed? Where you from?
Birmingham.
No, originally, like.
Jamaica, good one. My ancestor is Jamaica too. Yes, my ancestor is orthopedized from Jamaica. From Jamaica to Germany. From Germany to Jayama. Oh, yeah, good boy. Mommy.
Hello, how are you guys?
Grandpa visited. Yes, welcome. Oh, what class is you?
Year 11.
Year 11. Oh, you grew only 11. How old is me? You? 15 years. To you only. No. Oh, good one. No, oh. What's your parents' name?
My mom's name is Yolanda.
Oh, Mago na London. Your mother name na London.
Yolanda.
Okay, Yolanda. The boys. Hey. You into Facebook?
No, I don't have
What Instagram?
Yeah.
You do Instagram?
Yeah, I have
Instagram.
Oh,
Sorry.
Instagram. Well, okay, you know what this. You love rock and no. Welcome. Oh, my thinking greet me until come to school.
Oh, that's
Oh,
nice.
good. Hey, bye. Hi. Nice to meet you. Oh, English, read, mathematics, social study, biology, sacrament. Good, everything read them. Brain hot, you know what? Nice. Oh, let me sit down here with my people to come back. You hear broken pan? You hear broken English?
yeah.
Small.
I understand some.
Where's the pay me because I owe the man. Where's so by jail? Let me have them my land road. No. Hey, this is the burger shop. You want a chop?
No.
Oh, thank you. I'm only going to go to the let me see you off. Let me escort you small. Oh, good boy. You have sister?
Yeah, I do.
Wait, is this brother? Is it your brother?
Yeah.
Come. How are you? Good. Oh, mama. Who is this? Let me see you. Oh, good. Good, Gama. I like when you put the oh, hey, babe. Good to pick in. Oh, your house is within the neighborhood.
It's not around here.
Okay, you will try to go home, partner. Bye bye. Oh, nice.